Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I'm doing another unboxing and review of a brand new bag that I just purchased. It's a Senreve Midi Maestra bag in the color blush pink, and I've been eyeing this for literally like at least 2 years now, and I finally decided to get it this year. So I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing in front of you all. I kind of like opened it and looked at it already, but and just talk about the price and how to get a good deal on this bag if you are interested in too. So yeah, let's get right in the video and let's get started. Okay, so I ordered directly from the Senreve site. It comes in a big black box like this, at least for me. And like I said, I already kind of opened this, but just thought it'd be fun to show how everything was packaged and stuff originally when I got it. And the box is really easy to open, unlike some boxes that you get, and you don't have to damage the box that it's shipped in because of the way that it opens. And then they have this cute Senreve tissue paper on top with their like little octopus stuff on it, so that's super adorable. Here is the main bag. So there's actually another item in here because I'm going to talk about this later, but mine came with a free gift, which was an amazing gift. And this one's a clutch, so I'll talk about that one later. Okay, so it comes in a gray dust bag, which is very nice. It's not microfiber, it's just some kind of cloth. And this beautiful color, look at this. Literally like one of my favorite colors. I'm so happy about this. It's like just bright enough, but I feel like also a very neutral color, so it's like still goes with a lot, but it's not very boring, I guess, in my opinion. And they put a tag on here that if you remove that, you're not allowed to return it. So I actually got this a little while back during the handbag revival event, and I highly recommend you guys check out that event. I think it happens like twice a year for the last couple of years. So this bag is from that. Oh my gosh, the inside is just so pretty. It's like a blue gray. It's more on the blue side, but it matches so well with this pink. It's like so adorable on the inside. I think this is genuine suede, at least it feels like it. So spacious, and then there's all these like little compartments. So this bag is supposed to be like perfect, like organizing bag, and like should fit like everything you need. Okay, and then on the back, it has this one back pocket, which is perfect if you want to just put a credit card there that you know you're gonna need right away. I think that's really nice and convenient. And then of course I love this top handle and how many ways you can wear it. I can show you all that in a bit as well. My first impression of the bag is that it's very functional and very useful and the perfect size. So again, this is the Midi Maestra. I thought the regular Maestra would be just too big, so this one definitely won't fit a laptop. It says it fits an iPad, but I don't even have an iPad, so I wouldn't be able to tell you if that's true, but I did read online that people who were able to put an iPad didn't have room for much more. But yeah, this is not one that would be good for like work. I would say if you want to have your laptop in it, that you're going to need the Maestra, not the Midi Maestra. So up front, it slides through kind of like a belt, and then this has like the different adjusted holes if you want to like tighten it or loosen it for some reason. I'm not sure. I feel like over time that might be an issue, but we'll have to see. I'll let you guys know. I'll do an updated review, of course, after I've used this a bunch. For the interior, for the first section up here, closest to the outside of the bag, it has this nice zip pocket right here, which is super convenient. And then it has 3 pockets here, 2 smaller ones, and 1 center one. So that'd be good for all your little things. And then this big area in the middle, which is great. So if you put too many dividers in it makes it like actually fit less. So I like that there's not too many extra compartments. And then there's 3 more on this side. And you have this snap button here, so that pulls back this back compartment, and that leaves you more space up front. I have the 2 snap buttons on here as well. So those are snapped in now, and then you can zip it. I guess that's nice because then you don't have to deal with how certain bags have these things just coming out. You can snap them into place. So it zips nicely like this, and then it just has this flap on top. And then you can close it up and leave it like that, or you can button it in. Okay, so that's, yeah, a general overview of all the compartments and all the stuff that's in the bag. And then I wanted to show you the cool thing, which I'm sure you all know if you're familiar or looking into getting a Senreve bag, is that they have the many ways to wear it. And so here's the padding on the strap. It's very thick, so that should be very, very comfortable. Yeah, it's really nice and it shapes well to the arm. So that keeps it very comfortable to wear. And let me show you a couple ways to wear it. One way, and the most obvious way, is to just pull this to its full length and wear it as a shoulder bag. So this is probably how I'll wear it the most, because this is a bigger bag that it's not as nice as a crossbody in my opinion. So this is how it looks on me. You could always, of course, wear it top handle and wear it like this. That's super cute as well, and just carry it around throughout the day. This isn't super heavy of a bag, so it shouldn't weigh you down too much. Okay, and then here's the backpack way. So I literally, I just went off screen and I was trying to adjust this to be the backpack. So I put these to the furthest out hole at the end on both sides. And then that's how you get it to be the backpack. I think it's kind of odd a little bit because this is like awkwardly in the way. So I don't think I like that. And then as well, another thing is I just think it's too short to be a backpack. It should be a little bit longer still, like the strap should be a bit longer. I guess it's fine, depends on how you like it. I just feel like there's like this really heavy thing and it's very high up. It's still cute though, but this is what it looks like as a backpack in case you want to wear it like that. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend this if you're just looking for a backpack, but if you want to have that option, at least it's there. So that kind of disappointing a little bit. Also, I really want to mention to make you guys aware that this is how you adjust them, through these like little holes that have like a line here. And when I went to just adjust this now to become the backpack length, it took me at least like 6 to 7 minutes because these are really, really hard to take out. Like, I kid you not, I had to use all my force and it took me so long to adjust this. So it's really not simple. That's kind of annoying actually. I just tried that now for the first time, so I'm kind of annoyed by that. And then I feel like also that you damaged this a little bit because I had to use so much force that it looks like the one I put the hole into right here is starting to rip right here more than it was before. Just wanted you guys to all be aware about that. I guess that's a con about this bag, is all the adjustable items are through those little holes and they're very, very hard to open. I had to get help, and yeah, that was not easy. So now that's also on the longest length. You can wear it as a crossbody. Like for me, I mean, yeah, it actually looks really good as a crossbody. I thought it would be too big, but if you want to be more hands-free, wearing this as a crossbody is also really great length. Again, if you leave it as the longest length, you can just always wear it as a crossbody. Or when you have it at the longest length, you can also wear it as the backpack way. So you can always leave it at that. I would say like leave it at however you want it to be worn the most, because like I said, those things are really hard to adjust. And then here at the full length, this is how far it goes down. So it can go as far down here. But yeah, there's so many adjustments that I think that this won't be a problem no matter how tall you are, that it won't be too long or short. You can always adjust it to what you want. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy about it. I think that some things are kind of they still need to work, but it's really nice. And then this, by the way, has the silver hardware all throughout. I think some of the bags is gold hardware, but this color is the one I wanted and it only comes in this hardware. And then also this is the pebbled leather, so you can see this detail. It's kind of like grainy a little bit and has a little bit of like a gray undertone to it. I like this style because it's very, very easy to clean in my experience, and it's very durable, so I love that. And I love how this looks, but now I'm kind of irritated by like, I thought it was cool because it's very adjustable, but it's really not easy to adjust at all. So that's a bummer. I guess I'll show you next what kind of fits in this bag, so you kind of have an idea what you can fit inside the Midi Maestra. There's like literally probably gonna be no problem fitting stuff in here other than a laptop, but I don't see why you wouldn't be able to fit any of your daily essentials. I brought a couple items over that I would normally put in my everyday bag. First, of course, my small wallet, but I didn't change my wallet before this, so you could obviously use a very long Continental wallet in here. No problems with that. Let's just put that in there. If I use a bigger bag, I do like to have a hairbrush just in case, so no problem with that fitting in there either. And then let's see if I can fit, like, this is like a makeup bag, so some of you may want to fit like a larger makeup bag if you want to be out longer and you know you're gonna need like touch-ups and stuff. So let's see how I can fit this in here. I can fit that in the front with my like necessary makeup, and then the hairbrush back here and the wallet over here. And then got the mask, of course, these days. There's my mask. And then if you want to put some sunglasses, I have this cute sunglass or glasses case, and you can fit that in here easily on top. Honestly, I would not have to bring that big makeup pouch ever, but you guys saw how stuffed it was, so that gives you an idea of how much you can really fit in here. Like, it's a lot. And then a hair clip in case I want to put my hair up. And then I have this side pouch. At this point, after putting that huge pouch in, that's not gonna fit. So, of course, I don't think you guys are gonna bring like this giant pouch with you inside, so you shouldn't have any problems. But yeah, that fits perfectly. And then if you're lazy, you don't even have to zip this up. I mean, okay, you probably should zip it up, but if you're lazy like me, just to show you guys how this fits. So that fits all that. It doesn't change the structure because this is a super structured bag. So unlike some bags that are softer, when you fit a lot of stuff, if you need to, you're not going to see anything poking or changing the shape of it, which is really great. So love that. So I guess going along with the price, this really increased the value of this purchase because for free I got their color block clutch. Oh my gosh, that's so hard to say. Yes, so this color block clutch is in the color vanilla. I think that this color specifically doesn't retail on their website, but they do have this actual item selling for either $175 or $195 now. So for that value, coming for free with this purchase as a gift, that's so amazing. So I do recommend trying to plan your purchases around their free gifts because I have seen them happen a lot. Sometimes it'll be a scarf, sometimes it'll be a chain or a small little bag charm or something, but honestly, this is the best one of the free gifts that I've seen for the value that you get out of it. And then I picked this color because it's so neutral, it goes with so many things. So this is perfect. And it's very simple, and all it has is the Senreve foiling in silver on it. So other than that, this is genuine leather as well with genuine suede, and this is the same blue as the pink bag. So this can also be used inside the Maestra bag if you don't want to use it as a clutch because you don't use clutches, or for whatever reason, you can always just use this as another organizer inside your purse as well. So I think this is a nice touch. I wouldn't personally purchase it out of my own pocket, but as a free gift, it's a really nice touch. And the free gift also came with its own cute little dust bag. So for price, I have the details here on my phone. Like I said, this was an amazing deal, and I got this during the handbag revival event, which is no longer going on right now. I do recommend that you wait for that event because it's really great. So what the revival event is that they do not throw away any of their damaged bags or damaged items like some brands tend to do. And instead they created this revival event and they sell bags with some slight damage to them. And they guarantee that for the price you're paying, you either get like 1 or 2 flaws, and then there's a tier for 2 or 3 flaws and 3 or 4. The price will go down slightly the more flaws there are, but honestly, so this one was 1 or 2 flaws, and I looked at it and it was really hard to find where the flaw was. And I think, like, seriously, when this came, I was like, where is the flaw? And I think that the flaw that they're referring to might be this like little bit of gray right here. Otherwise, I seriously could not tell where the flaw was, and I was like, just like so shocked because basically I got this huge discount without it really being like any noticeable flaws. So when they say flaws, it's very, very unnoticeable, at least from what I saw. I definitely really recommend taking a chance on the revival event and that you won't be disappointed. So I got this bag, which is normally $795 retail. So right now, if you got it without any discounts, it's $795. And then I got it for $676 during the revival. So it was about 20% off, I think. And they had all sorts of colors. Like there was like pretty much like a full stock to choose from of these revival bags. And then I found a discount code, which you can also get online, and I will try to leave a code for you below. And so the discount was 10%, and you can usually always get 10% off at Senreve somehow. And so that was another $68 off. So after tax, the total ended up being $656 out the door. And that included an additional free clutch that was valued at $195. So this was an insane deal. Like, I just cannot believe, like, if you are able to stack the deals like this in a really great way, then you can totally save a lot. And like for this Senreve bag that's going for $800, I'm sure a lot of people bought it at regular price at $800. Like, you should try to put in the extra effort and get these extra discounts and like stack these deals, and you'll save a lot and you'll be a lot happier using the product. At least that's how I feel. Another way I saved another $20 on top of all this, I used Rakuten, and I like to talk about Rakuten all the time, but Rakuten, when I used it, had 3% cash back on top of all this, so I got another $20 off. So actually I only spent like $636 on this bag with the clutch and everything, and I couldn't be happier. I know there are some flaws that I mentioned, so you guys should consider those, but if you are gonna get it, like, I recommend getting it when there's a 10% off discount or more, getting it maybe during the revival event if you don't mind like a couple slight damages. And then on top of all that, try to get it when there's a free or complimentary gift. So this happens a lot during holiday weekends or if holidays are coming up. And I know last year's second revival event of the year happened in around Black Friday time, like November and December. So I definitely recommend checking that out and waiting till then if you're like eyeing this bag right now. And then the last thing is make your purchase through Rakuten. It literally is like amazing. It was just another free $20 of cash back to me, or that's like a decent lunch. I do like to talk about how you can save more money on your luxury purchases on this channel. And so I hope that was super helpful. And then I hope you really enjoyed this video. I do want to mention that they do have a 2-year warranty with all purchases. So if something does go wrong with the straps or anything with this adjustable issue, I'm sure I can bring it up and they can fix it, or like it's included in the warranty. All bags come with that when you purchase theirs, so you can feel a little bit safer about that. And for a luxury bag, I think it's a really, really great deal. Again, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!